Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a real AF get ready with me in 10 minutes. It is currently 8 o'clock and I have to leave for work in like 20 to 30 minutes. So I thought, why not show you what makeup I go to when I only have like 10 minutes to get ready. Okay, so to start, I'm going to be priming my skin with the Banana Bright Face Primer. And if I sound a little bit scratchy or tired, it's because I am. I was going to get up earlier, but it's so cold here and I just couldn't get out of bed this morning. It is Sunday here as well when I'm filming this. Okay, so we're all primed. Now we're going to go in with the IT Cosmetics CC Cream in shade Fair. I love this because it has SPF 50 in it as well, so it makes it really easy and quick to kind of get everything on. And I'm applying that with a beauty blender as well. I love using the beauty blender for like a quick base. I find it just makes everything go on super fast. I don't know if any of you guys work on the weekends, but sometimes, especially on Sundays, I just find it really hard to get up. Like, the good thing is that there's like never any traffic, which is amazing. So it doesn't take me very long to get there. Okay, so I've got my foundation on. Now we are going to add some concealer. For concealer today, I'm just going to go in with the Shape Tape. Cover these dark circles. I go to bed at like a decent time and I still am tired. I don't know why. I recently ordered the Gut Primer from Beauty Chef and I am keen as to try that and see if it helps to like stop me from getting so bloated and also give me more energy. What was I saying? Yeah, the Gut Primer. I've tried like a few Beauty Chef products before, like the Glow Powder, the Cleanse Powder, and I love the collagen, like the Boost. It's so good. You just mix it with water and it tastes like berries. But the Gut Primer is meant to like heal your gut more, so give it a go. Okay, so we're concealed, we're foundationed. Now we are going to set everything, and I'm going to be using this Givenchy powder. And I actually want to use the little puff that it comes with, so I'm not going to set like my whole face. It's mainly underneath the eyes that I want to set, and around the nose. This powder is fragrance, so just keep that in mind if you are sensitive. I find because of like the job that I have, the environment that it's in, all of the lights and like the air conditioning seem to break down the makeup a lot quicker. Like, not break it down so much, but more like make my skin more oily than it actually is. So I really like to set like my T-zone when I'm going to work. Alright, now we better add some colour. So for colour today, I'm going to go in with this highlight here. This is the same one I used, I think, in my previous video. It's a Tarte Exposed highlight. And I'm just going to be applying that with the Anastasia A23 brush, just to the high points of my face. I feel like highlight makes you instantly look more awake, more radiant. Okay, now let's add some bronzer. For bronzer, I'm going to be going in with this Fenty bronzer in the shade Private Island. Just across my cheeks. And a little bit all across the top of the forehead. I don't know, I feel like it looks weird if I don't have any bronzer on my forehead. and I have it on like the rest of my face. I have like my hairline kind of goes like this too, so I feel like it helps to make it look more like straight. And then I always like to bronze my neck. I always get paranoid because I'm so fair. I don't want to have like a line, or like if my foundation's never really oxidized, but I always just like to bronze the neck just for good measure, and as well like it makes everything look more natural because it's the same sort of texture. Now we're going to add some blush. So for blush today, I'm going to go in with the shade Gold Rush. It's that more like sort of peachy gold from Benefit. And I'm just going to use my brush. I love like how this looks so natural on the skin, and it gives like a bit of a glow as well. Now let's add some brows. So for brows, my go-to, especially for brows, I love to use the Gimme brow for something really quick and easy. It just makes filling in your brows like so much more effortless, and it makes it look really natural as well. You can sort of draw on the skin a little bit with this. It like takes no time to use. You can see how it's just a little bit more like polished and full looking than this brow. I really like the Benefit brow products. I have so many to choose from. They always come out with really good like value packs as well. Okay, so we've got brows done. Now we're just gonna add some color to my eyes. So for that, I'm gonna be using this Marvel like eyeshadow pen. I'm gonna be using like the more sort of browny gold shade. And this was limited edition, so if you don't have this, like Laura Mercier have their caviar eye sticks, NARS have some products like this as well, so you could always check those out. And I'm just blending it with my finger, so it looks very like effortless and natural. I'm just drawing on my eyelid and blending it with my finger. And same on the other eye. I really love the Marvel collection. So nice. Okay, it might be time for a little coffee break. Oh, we bought a new coffee and it tastes bitter AF. Not a fan. But it's coffee, so it'll do. So now that we've got that down, I'm going to add some mascara. So for mascara today, I'm actually going to use the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir. I've been using the Kat Von D one a lot lately, but I also opened this, so I should use it. This is like a good volumizing mascara. It's like a similar one to the Better Than Sex from Too Faced. You can see the difference that makes. My eyes get so watery when I'm tired, so I try not to put too much makeup on them if I'm like not feeling so hot. Okay, now we need to add some lip color. So I'm just gonna grab like whatever my little hot hands get to first. I don't think I've ever used this. This is one of the new Sephora collection lipsticks. It is number S61. It doesn't have a name, but it just looks like that. It's like a nice nude. Okay guys, so we have our lip color on. I'm going to add just a touch more blush now. You guys could even use like your bronzer or blush as like eyeshadow too, if you don't have like one of those eyeshadow sticks. Sometimes I just put bronzer in my crease. Okay, now all that we have left to do is set, and of course I'm using the Cover FX setting spray, the dewy one. And that's it. And it is 8:15 now. So when we started, I think it was 8 o'clock. If you had all your products ready to go and didn't have to fumble through the drawers, you would definitely be able to achieve this look in 10 minutes. But that is my really quick get ready with me in 10 minutes. If you have any questions about any of the products I used or where to buy anything, most of these I think you can get at Sephora. So I'll leave everything listed down below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. And I upload Mondays and Fridays at 10 AM Australian Eastern Standard Time. So I hope to see you guys watching in the future. I definitely have to go get ready and put my work uniform on now, so I will say goodbye. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, whatever you are doing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.